So this is the last kind of super difficult concept in perfect competition. It's an increasing cost model. I really doubt you will see it on the AP exam, but it's just something we should know just in case it comes up, and actually knowing it can't really hurt you. So we have a perfectly competitive industry, we have a perfectly competitive firm. Demand increases in the industry, demand increases to the firm, and now the firms are making a profit. In the long run, other firms are going to enter. This industry is not a constant cost industry, it's an increasing cost industry. This means as more firms enter and produce the good, this good is probably a natural resource of some kind, and it becomes harder and harder to ascertain this good. I use the example in class like getting oil. At first you go to the easy spots to get oil on land, and then as everybody gets that oil, firms start having to go offshore, and you're digging in the middle of the Gulf of Mexico, which has increasing costs to that. It's much harder to do that than on land. But there are a bunch of industries that that will fall under this category. So as firms enter, as supply is going to shift to the right, and I'll use green here, as supply shifts to the right, the average total cost curve is going to start increasing. So as supply shifts, my average total cost is increasing. And what will happen is this black is my P1, red is my P2, and you can see that as demand increases and supply increases, in the long run, the new equilibrium price, P3, is going to be greater than P1, but less than P2. It's not going to go back down to its initial equilibrium. Why is that the case? Because as other firms are entering, it becomes more expensive to produce this product, so firms need a higher price or they'll go out of business and earn economic losses.